might be nice for a weekend breakfast or a brunch, and you can swap the ingredients around to make them savoury or sweet. So let me tell you what you need to make them. Okay, to make the pancakes you need 200 grams of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, an egg, 300 millilitres of milk, 150 grams of blueberries. I'm using blueberries today, but you could use some other fruit or maybe some raisins or sultanas if you want to make them with those, or you could even swap them for herbs. You also need a knob of butter, which is about 20 grams of butter melted, and a pinch of salt. So the first thing you need to do is put your dry ingredients all together. So we're going to put the 200 grams of flour, we're going to put a teaspoon of the baking powder, so that's a level teaspoon, and we're going to put a pinch of salt. Then we're going to mix that up and make a little well in the middle. Next, you're going to get your milk and you're going to crack your egg into your milk and mix it up really well. And add your butter. Now this wet mixture is going to go into your dry mixture. And you're going to mix it until there's no lumps and it's completely combined. So your mixture should be very smooth, no lumps, but quite thick. So now you're going to add your other ingredients. So like I said, I'm going to use blueberries today, but you could use sultanas, or you could even put some herbs in there and make them savoury pancakes. Okay. This mixture is enough for about 10 pancakes, so if you've got more in your family and you want to make more, you can just double the mixture. So now we're ready to cook. So I've put my pan on a medium heat and I've sprayed a little bit of oil in the bottom. You could put some butter in the bottom if you prefer to do that. And now I'm going to take some spoonfuls of the mixture and put them in my frying pan. And maybe get an adult to help you with this bit because it's a bit tricky. I could probably get about 3 pancakes on here. And we're going to leave them for a little bit until we start seeing some bubbles pop up, and then we know they're ready to turn. So you can see now there's some little bubbles forming and the mixture is cooked around the outside. These are probably ready for turning. So we'll have a go. This is the tricky bit. There's 1. 2. Oh, these look good. And 3. So these have had a couple more minutes and I think they're probably ready. So we'll turn them over. Well, yes, they are. These look really nice. And now we just need to keep going till we've used all of our mixture up. So I've used all my mixture up and I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of maple syrup on. And these are ready for trying. So what do you think, Jack? Really good. Excellent. Thank you. Enjoy them. See you next time, guys. Bye.